The 2012 Toyota Tacoma. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: skid plates, reverse sensing system, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.